Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy tomato soup at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget fresh basil, a good quality olive oil, and about 4 cups of vegetable broth. A splash of cream or milk adds richness, and a pinch of sugar balances the acidity. We'll also use salt and freshly ground. Now, let's get cooking. Start by washing and quartering your 2 pounds of tomatoes. Next, finely chop your 1 medium onion and mince your 2 cloves of garlic. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes translucent and soft. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Another critical challenge is persistent deflation. For many years, Japan has struggled with falling prices, which sounds good initially but actually harms the economy. When consumers expect prices to drop, they postpone purchases, leading to reduced demand. Businesses then find it hard to increase profits or wages, creating a vicious cycle. This environment makes it incredibly difficult for the economy to generate the robust growth needed for prosperity. Almost there, for a truly luxurious finish, stir in about 1/4 cup of cream or milk. This adds a wonderful creaminess. Now, season your soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Don't forget a small pinch of sugar. It really helps to balance the tomato's acidity. Ladle your warm, yummy tomato soup into bowls, garnish with fresh basil leaves, and perhaps a drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.